Hello! This is a guitar lesson for Trash by Suede. So it's not, this version we're going to play is not the original recording. This is an acoustic version that Brett Anderson did a few years ago. You've probably seen it on YouTube. They're just different chords, just transposed basically. So the intro is just A. So we're gonna pick this one. So just use any picking pattern, that sounds nice. You could even strum it. So just an A for the intro. Then we get to verse 1. So verse 1 is A, C sharp minor, D, and then we're going to go to B for half a measure and back down to E for half a measure. Alternatively, you could play it down there, the B. Or you could play B7 if it's easier. So verse 1 sounds like this. Well, maybe it's the clothes we wear, tasteless grace that's in the diet I have. Maybe it's a kookiness, or maybe it's unaware times, nothing places to celebrate inside. Maybe it's so verse 2 as well there, which is exactly the same as verse 1. So then you move into the chorus, which is A, E minor, D, F, and then same again, A, E minor, D, and F again. Well, F major 7. So that's an F. You're just going to lift that finger up. So the chorus sounds like this. But we trash, you and me. We're a litter on this tree, Just trash, me and you. It's in everything we do. It's in everything we do. Or maybe it's the things we say, 'cause we heard the music we play. Maybe it's our cheapness, or maybe it's the times we've had, the days and the crazes and the fad. Maybe it's our sweetness, but we trash, you and me. We're a litter on the streets, we're the lovers on the street. Just trash, me and you. It's in everything we do. It's in everything we do. And then just end on the A. And that's it for that lesson. Thank you for watching.